Let's walk through how to connect any Insightful Pipe MCP server to ChatGPT. First, copy the MCP server URL by clicking the copy button. Next, click the ChatGPT Advanced Settings link and enable Developer Mode. This allows you to add custom MCP connectors. Now go to the connectors page and click Create to add a new connector. Paste the MCP server URL you copied earlier, then enter a name for your connector. Make sure the authentication is set to OAuth. Check the acknowledgement box and click Create. Complete the authorization by clicking Authorize Access. This grants ChatGPT permission to use the MCP server. And that's it. Your MCP server is now connected to ChatGPT and ready to use.